Hello, family. Welcome to All Things Flossy. I hope we have a great year this year, and I hope you do subscribe to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how I made this amazing and delicious, kind of different spinach stew. I used eggs instead of melon seeds, also known as egusi. I hope you stay tuned, and let's get right into the video. So for my ingredients, I have here some sliced tomatoes. I have here a can of tomato paste. I have one small red onion sliced. Here I have my spinach. I bought the frozen one. I have also my mackerel. I have my blended onion, one large. And then I have here my Scotch bonnet. I have here some shrimps and some fennel seeds. I have here blended garlic and ginger. I have here some sliced onions. And I have my eggs. I'll be using beef as well. So here I'll be seasoning my beef. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoonfuls of the blended ginger and garlic. And then I'll add some onions. I'm adding about a teaspoon of salt, and you season with whatever you want. For my seasoning, I'm also going to add some chicken bouillon, and I added about a teaspoon. Mix it all together and allow it to cook. So for my spinach stew here, I have my oil. And I'll be adding my sliced onions. Okay, keep stirring so they don't burn. And I'll be adding my Scotch bonnet mixture. So I told you I have here my Scotch bonnet. I have here some dried shrimps. I have some fennel seeds. And the smell is amazing. The shrimps, the dried shrimps, arouses flavor. It smells amazing. I know my daughter came and asked me, "Mommy, are you making shrimps?" No, I have shrimps in it. I'm also going to add my onions, my garlic mixture, and I'll mix it all together. So my secret to making my spinach stew is to add more garlic and ginger. Now I'll be adding my tomato paste and also my sliced tomatoes. Mix them all together and I'll let it cook for about 15 to 20 minutes. I'll add my mackerel now. This is optional. It just makes it more tastier when I add the mackerel. And I like to use the mackerel in tomato sauce. Try and break it down and then mix it in. I would have used smoked mackerel if I had it, or I'll use opoku if I had it, but I do not, so this mackerel will do. And like I said, it's optional. Gradually mix it all together. And then I'm adding a teaspoon of my chicken bouillon seasoning. I just love using it. You can use whatever seasoning of your choice. So in place of the egusi, like I was saying, I'm using my eggs. Whenever I use egusi, my kids do not eat my spinach stew. So in order for my kids to eat it, I gotta do what they want. That's why we're using the eggs, but it's optional, and it's spinach stew. You can just incorporate whatever you want, and it's up to you. Trust me. Once my eggs are cooked, I'm going to add my beef. I did not fry them. My beef is full of seasoning, so I'm not gonna add the stock to my spinach stew. I'm just gonna save that for later, the stock. I'm adding my spinach stew. I bought the frozen one, and so when it thaws, it's got water in it. So before I put it in, I don't want my spinach stew to be soggy, and so I try as much as possible to squeeze the excess water from it so my stew is not watery, and then mix it all together. And here I will be adding my sliced red onions. So the step is optional. If you want some extra onions in your stew, you can opt for it. I do want some extra, that's why I did this. So here I present to you my spinach stew with eggs in place of egusi or melon seeds. The whole family loved it. The kids will love it too. I hope you give this video a try. So I had mine with rice, and oh my goodness, I love spinach stew with rice. You can also have it with yam, plantains, whatever, eba. I loved it. I hope you give this video a try. Okay, so now let's taste this amazing meal. This is so good. This is so good. I know you will love it too if you give it a try. Just try it and tell me what you think. You can see your eggs in here. You can see your beef in there. There's some fish going on. It's busy. I hope you give this video a try, like I said. Thank you all for sticking with All Things Flossy. And I know we're going to have a great year this year. Until my next video, I hope you love God, I hope you love people, and I hope you stay graced up. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.